Cane is, it's a Caribbean or a tropical, I want to call it a fruit. Good, we're good.
Hi and welcome back to the channel. We are here on Eglinton and we're going to go to a restaurant, which is a Jamaican restaurant. And
Well, come and get some little chicken, you know? See it there?
Any money?
You can write it down.
You can write it down and you send to it.
Mommy, I'm from,
I think I can remember.
I lived in Old Harbor.
Oh.
Went to Maca Tree.
yeah, bad boy.
And bad?
Bad boy husband, you know?
Why?
Good boy husband.
What is the bad boy?
I know.
She turned Jamaican.
You're Jamaican?
Yeah, she used the Jamaican slang. Good for bad and bad for good.
Trinidad no more.
I do. Of course I do.
It's Trinidad then?
Yes, man.
I'm telling you, it's Trini.
Oh, me too?
Yeah.
What part?
Oh, actually, it looks like you're down.
Princess Down.
Oh, far from me.
Very far.
Yeah, it's them. I don't even know this.
Oh, God. I've been to Sawa before. Yeah, I'm family up there.
Yeah, that's the biggest county in Trinidad.
When last you been?
Oh, gee, that's about 12
Yeah, man.
Oh, I've been 2006.
6?
2006, yeah.
Okay,
Last time I've been there.
19 years.
Yeah.
19 years old, Trinidad start the country.
Yeah, because when I was
That made me start full of Yeah, too much.
Oh, that. She get, what's in the bag? What's in the bag?
Guys, I just got some rice and peas and jerk chicken with a bottle of sorrel juice. You know I'm gonna smash it, right?
She thinks she's gonna end that alone. Watch how I go on to this.
That's so Jamaican.
Well, watch the bag, watch the bag.
Now I'm going for a snack. Follow me.
I don't think they'll let me inside here with my camera.
Yes, they
But
will.
No fry. Hokkaido.
cinnamon sticks.
Yeah. That's
Don't forget the snackables. Some ting, ting, ting.
Sometimes we put them on still, you know? Yeah, but then, right now it's alright, I know still. So you know they just cool it. Later on, you have some cup. Pass to our bread in the cooler and watch the cold ones and walk up for that today. Right now? From yesterday, they pass it before, man. What's happening? From yesterday, we haven't passed it before. Star.
Right, bless. Little Jamaica, you know?
No hide for them, no hide coming and doing around. Star.
No, sometimes I come up here and I try to do all of the thing and the man them's like going crazy, you know? So
Star.
I mean,
Rich. Rich star. See, I York Regional Police. They're the boss of York. Go to the fucking York. They don't sell them. Don't be like Larry, you know, some of your blood clot drink soap. Then you say Larry. I wanna know that.
see it there. Bless up my general.
Yeah, man.
You know? Yes, sir.
Yes, guys, Little Toronto at nights. I can give you this view. Try not to go inside people's stores. Sometimes they want to be private, so you just gotta give people their space. But I got me some sugar cane. If you don't know what sugar cane is, it's a Caribbean or a tropical, I want to call it a fruit. And it tastes like sugar and it makes sugar. It's called sugar cane. That's the new station built on Eglinton, or Eglinton and Oakwood. Beautiful Christmas tree.
It was after snow, the food faro show, lights and glow, fingers and toes. Chilly and frilly, there was smiles, warm milk, and a Christmas. Oh, 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 oh. So it's a food faro show. Christmas is here. Oh, oh, oh. On Prance you could dance. Oh, 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 there's a chance that Santa will. It was after snow, the food faro show, lights and glow, fingers and toes. Chilly and frilly, there was smiles, warm milk, and a Christmas.